So here we have the Toyota RAV4 hybrid automatic on a 17 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside, you can see that it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So the tailgate on this car will open electronically. You can do that from the key by pressing this button, or you can do that by pressing the button on the tailgate itself. As we approach the back of the car, you'll see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, and you can fold the rear seat 60-40 for even more space should you need it. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the right hand side, we have the speedometer and fuel gauge. On the left hand side, you'll be able to tell whether the motors are charging, whether you're driving in eco mode or using the power for the car. At the moment, you can see that this says EV and ready just there. That means that the car is actually running right now, but it's running in electric mode, which is why it's silent at this moment in time. In the centre, you can see the total miles for the car, which are 12,506. The information displayed above that can be changed using buttons on the steering wheel for various different menus, from your navigation, your audio, various different vehicle settings, and then back round to the beginning again. And then within those menus, there are various options available to you on top of that. If we back out to the steering wheel, the buttons I was using just a moment ago are here. Over the left-hand side, we have phone controls. And underneath here, we have cruise control, as you can see. Over in the centre, amongst other things, this car has got satellite navigation. There's a full video that shows how that works. You can find both on our website and also on our YouTube channel as well. When it comes to listening to your music in this car, hit media. Down the bottom here, if you hit that icon, you'll then see all the different ways in which you can listen to your music. So AM, FM radio, DAB radio. We have auxiliary input, Bluetooth audio. This is a special app you can use. You can connect your music that way. And then we have iPod and USB input as well. On this screen, we also have a full colour reversing camera available to us with guidelines showing you what direction the car is headed in relation to the image that you see being shown there. So it does make it very easy to park. We then have dual zone climate control, so you can adjust the passenger temperature, the driver temperature, the fan speed up, and of course down. From here you can determine where you'd like the air to be redirected with these buttons. When you're happy with those settings, this button turns the air conditioning on and off again, of course, or hit auto. The car will now take control of everything in order that it maintains the temperatures you've asked for. You can hear it doing that now. You can override all of that stuff whenever you wish to and put it back on whatever setting you want it on personally. Working our way down, we have got a 12-volt charging socket, the auxiliary and USB inputs underneath that cap just there. Over this side, we can put the car into sport mode, eco mode, or we can, if there's enough charge, force it into its electric mode, which is what it's in right this second in time. We have a cup holder there and the key for the car. This car is keyless start, so you just need to make sure the key is in the car and then press the start button to start the engine, which I'll show you in just a moment. And then we have the automatic gearbox. We have the gear lever for that. And just over here, you'll see the power button. That will turn the car on and off. We have the button for lane departure warning system, and we have our electric mirrors over there as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.